Okay, so we just picked up this camper for 500 bucks. The outside's in pretty good shape. It's got one little cracked window there. Other than that, as you can see, all the other windows, the vents on the top, they all work. It's a 1976, I believe it's a, what's it called? I don't know what it's called. A companion. Came with a couple tanks. There's a battery in there. I think it's bad. Frame's all rusted up. Tanks are all rusted up. So we're going to sand it all down and repaint it. Outside's in pretty good shape overall for being as old as it is. We're hoping to repaint everything, including the back here. It's got some ugly rims on it. That window opens as well. I don't know if all the lights work because my wiring kit on my truck isn't right. Then this is the inside. Oh, there's stuff too. This is the inside. This is exactly how we got it. I pulled it out and put it back in. There's a bed up there. We're going to convert this to a full-size queen, full-time. This is a new cover there. I got a second new cover there that I got to put in right there. Ugly fabric we're going to change out. Guy said the oven worked, sink works, heater works, fridge works. He said the plumbing works, so they've got a toilet, shower, sink in here. Floor's awful. He was already in the process of changing it out from the wood paneling to white. Took all the cabinets off. So we're going to continue the white everywhere. Cabinets are going to be gray, I think. We're going to change out the floor for a nice gray floor. Pull out the table that originally sat here and make it a bed right there with storage underneath. Lines are falling off everywhere. A little bit of water damage above here, which is why they need to be replaced. Same there, but cool thing was a lot of the miscellaneous stuff. We got a queen size air mattress. There is a twin size air mattress that came with it. Space blanket, charcoal. These are actually 22 shells that came with it, so I'll keep those. And a bunch of other towels and rugs and other things that he just didn't want to move. So we got dogs, we'll let them use all that, but yep, that's it. So we're going to wash everything down just with some Clorox wipes and try and get any of the garbage off that's left on these cabinets. The previous owner already started painting everything, so we're going to just clean it up and start cleaning or start painting the walls to finish it, as well as the cabinets and everything. Hey guys. So we're just doing a little update video. We've done just a little bit. I've been trying to get all the electrical working, gas, stuff like that, all the leaks fixed. So first off, we actually we clean out the fresh water tank. We put it in a cleaner. We've left it in there so that it sloshes around and is cleaning everything up. I replaced a vent right above me here. I replaced this vent because it was leaking, but if you do look in some areas, it still looks like a little bit of moisture will get through. And we cleaned everything out. We've been cleaning walls. There's still a couple things we have to do. While I've been doing all the electrical stuff, trying to figure out what's working, what's not working, my wife has been actually the one painting the walls, so you probably can't tell. but the walls are getting painted. They used to be all of that kind of wood paneling, which a lot of people liked. They say it's a vintage look, but we didn't really like it. So over here we're trying to tear out wallpaper, which is sticking awful. Like, you try and pull this down and it's like pulling this panel out. So as of right now, we're just painting. I'm in the process of mudding or putting wood filler in where we have a little bit of water damage here. I was gonna maybe just paint it, but I wasn't really sure, because this is it painted and it looks okay, but I thought it would look a little bit better if it was more that smooth rather than like that. But we're gonna see what the wood filler looks like. We're not 100% sure on really anything we're doing yet. My grandma said she would reupholster these cushions for the table here, so that we don't have to go and pay somebody to do that. I'll probably pay her a little bit just for her time. And then as for the bed right here in the front, this slides out and turns it into a bed. There's originally a table right down there. Yeah, right there, that circle there. And so we're like, we don't really need 2 tables, and there's 3 beds in here. So we're gonna convert this over to a queen size bed full time. So that way it's just, we got the bed there. These cabinets up here, they actually fold out into another bed that comes out, I mean, you can see just right there, that's where they come out to. So I think I'm going to add an extra hinge on it so that when it folds all the way down, it has like a cabinet face like that, but it's going to be, you know, it'll be this far out so I can put storage stuff in there, and then we'll just keep an air mattress with us, and if someone wants to sleep up there, we'll fold it out. We'll throw an air mattress up there. So we just want to give you a little bit of an update video. So this will probably be in the first or second episode of the series that we're going to do. I think I might do the cleaning on the first one, and then the painting and the actual restoring on the second one. So yeah, if you guys want to see some more of this, just stay tuned. We're going to try and do it start to finish. We have a couple like different ideas of what we're trying to think of what we want to do. I think we're going to stick with a vintage kind of look. We're going to powder coat, probably wheels, stove top, the little fan up top here, probably powder coat that. The sink, we're all, I think red is kind of what our idea was. And it's going to be, we want to do like a white and red kind of theme, and then the floor would be a black and white checkered, or we're going to just update and modernize everything. We can't decide yet. We do want to put an air conditioner in this cabinet probably, so that way it'll keep everything cool. But yeah, stay tuned for that, and we'll see you in the next one.